Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to fix an issue that is mostly occurs in WordPress websites. So if you are getting WordPress theme installation issue, here you can see package could not be installed. The theme is missing style.css style sheet. So how you can fix this type of issue while you are uploading any premium WordPress theme, then you will get this type of errors. Make sure that you have installed this software to extract your files, so you can download it. After that, let's go back. Here you can see in the downloads I have theme file, and here you can check the properties. It has zip format, so that is the correct format to upload WordPress files. After that, right click and extract the files. Here you can see I have extracted this file and it contains multiple files. So this is the actual theme file that we need to upload. Let's go back to the website. After that, in the theme section, just click here, add new. After that, here you can see on the top, upload theme, select the file. Now we need to select this file, then install it. Here you can see the theme has been installed. Just click here to activate this theme. In this way you can fix out premium WordPress themes installation issue. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.